Welcome back, guys, with a brand new video. And today we are discussing and diving into the world of audio signal processing and electronics engineering and exploring the Butterworth high pass filter, specifically the 10 pole variant. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp of how this filter works and its practical applications. And in the previous video, we already discussed about the Butterworth low pass filters. Only if you see the circuit configurations that this is, you can say, the replacements of the capacitors and inductors. If you can see here in the Butterworth low pass filter, you can check here that the inductors comes first and then capacitors. First inductor, first capacitor, second inductor, second capacitor, third inductor, third capacitor, fourth inductor, fourth capacitor, and so on. And but similarly in the Butterworth high pass filters, first the replacement change here and the capacitors comes first and then inductors. So before starting, we first requires that a Butterworth filter is a type of filter commonly used in signal processing. It's belong to the family of filters that have a maximally flat frequency response in the passband. The pole in the filter refers to its order or complexity. In our case, we are focusing on the 10 pole Butterworth high pass filter. So if we discuss about a little bit of characteristics of a high pass filters allows frequency above a certain cutoff point to pass through while attenuating frequencies below it. This pole, this 10 pole Butterworth filter is exceptionally efficient in achieving this, providing a steep roll off beyond the cutoff frequency. And if we look at the mathematical insight, let's briefly touch on the mathematical equations behind the Butterworth high pass filter. The equation for the cutoff frequency and the transfer function might look complex, but understanding these helps in designing and implementing this filter in various applications. And if we talk about real world applications, so where do we encounter that and Paul Butterworth high pass filter in real life? It's extensively used in audio equalization, removing unwanted low frequency noise from signals in audio productions, biomedical signal processing, and many others areas where precise frequency control is crucial. And if we talk about the practical demonstrations, as you can see here at the circuit, let's demonstrate the effective of this filter using a practice example. I'll run a signals through the filter. Here you can check out showing how it precisely attenuates frequencies below the cutoff, leaving the higher frequencies intact. And so if let me slow down it to check that's how it's working. Also slow down the speeds here. You can check how the charging and discharging of the capacitors and inductors is working. As you know, these are all grounds and are commons, and so the charging and is due to these signals, and discharging is due to this load or resistors, and we are getting output from here. And if you want to check out that how it's let me change the simulation speed and the current speed, then it will be easy for you to check the whole process in a microseconds. That's how it's working. You can check here. That's how the graphs change in the microseconds, and how it attenuates when the frequency is low the specific frequencies, then it's cut off. And similarly, it's working as a pass band and only allow signals or frequency of a specific range to pass out. And by this way we can cancel out the noise and the other unwanted signals. And so if we talk about that, as we wrap up, remember that the 10 volt Butterworth high pass filter is a powerful tool in signal processing, offering a steep roll off and precise frequency control. Experimenting with it can yield incredible results in various applications. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on signal processing and audio engineering and electrical and electronics engineering. And if you require any type of assistance in your electrical and electronics project, then please ping me a message on my WhatsApp number, and you can also visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles. Thank you so much for watching the video.